Vital Statistics, Unit 1. Measurement of population. This is a mathematical method of estimating vital statistics. In this method, estimations are based on the assumptions that the growth of population is at a constant ratio during the intercensal years. Population for any intercensal year can be estimated if the records of births, deaths and migration are available. The population Pt at a time t is obtained as follows. Pt equals to P0 plus B minus D plus I minus E, where Pt is estimate of population after time t. P0 is population in the previous census year. B is total number of live births during the given period. D means total number of deaths during the given period. I indicates total number of immigrants, meaning immigrants, a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. E means total number of emigrants, meaning emigrants, a person who leaves their own country in order to settle permanently in another. Examples to calculate population. Example 1. Given the following data, estimate the population of a town at the end of 2013. Population at the end of 2012 is 4 lakh. Number of births in 2013 is 60,000. Number of deaths in 2013 is 50,000. Number of immigrants in 2013 is 20,000. Number of emigrants in 2013 is 4,000. After applying these values in abbreviation, we are getting P0 is 4 lakh, B 60,000, D 50,000, I 20,000, E 4,000. After applying this in a formula, we are getting 4 lakh plus 60,000 minus 50,000 plus 20,000 minus 4,000. 6,000 minus 50,000 is 10,000 and 20,000 minus 4,000 is 16,000. That means 4 lakh plus 10,000 plus 16,000 is 4 lakh 17,000. Example 2. Find Pt. Given P0 equals to 1,26,305, births 6,500, deaths 4,050, immigrants 8,065 and emigrants 6,000. After applying them in abbreviation, P0 equals to 1,26,305, B equals to 6,500, D equals to 4,050, I equals to 8,065, E equals to 6,000. After applying into a formula, we are getting 1,26,305 as P0, 6,500 as B minus 4,050 as D plus 8,065 as I, 6,000 as E. That means 6,500 minus 4,050 is 2,450. 8,065 minus 6,000 is 2,065. Is nothing but 1,26,305 plus 2,450 plus 2,065. We are getting answer as 1,30,820. Example 3. In a year, in a human population of 86,500 individuals, there were 1740 live births and 1520 deaths. Assuming that population is closed for migration, calculate the population at the end of the year. The population in the beginning of the year is nothing but P0 is 86,500. Number of live births is B equals to 1740. Number of deaths equals to D equals to 1520. The population is closed for migration. That means number of immigrants, that is I, number of emigrants, that is E, both are 0. After applying into a formula, we are getting P0 as 86,500 plus B as 1740 minus D as 1520, nothing but 220. So 86,500 plus 220, we are getting it as 86,720.